I'm Zach Rosenberg, founder of DoGoodBuyUs, and today I'm going to talk about making money from fashion blogging. And I got to tell you, there is a lot of money out there to be had. Fashion blogging is picking up not only in intensity, but in viewership. So here's how you can bring in the dollars on fashion blogging. 1, start a blog. I prefer WordPress, but Blogger is another great platform. Tumblr is also picking up steam, so check one of those 3 out. They're all free and give you a lot of flexibility. In particular, WordPress gives you a lot of flexibility with advertising, and that's the first way you can make money as a video blogger. There's great networks like Google or Facebook's advertising platform that allow you to run ads around or alongside the content. This is a very easy way, but it takes a lot of page views and a lot of impressions and a lot of time to earn a lot of money. So keep up the writing to make even more page views possible. The second way to make money is through affiliate programs. Now, you may be familiar with these from other blogs, but as you see products either along the side or being talked about, if you or someone else were to purchase them, you would receive a percentage. Pretty easy way to make money just from talking about what you like to talk about. The next great way is pay per post. This is when a brand will approach you and ask you to write an article about their product or service, and for $75, $100, $200, you will either write that for them or they will provide you with the content on that particular product. It's something I'm seeing a lot in my industry and imagine we'll be seeing a lot more of. So that's advertising at the beginning, affiliate programs, and pay per post are 3 great ways to make money from fashion blogging. I'm Zach Rosenberg, founder of DoGoodBuyUs, and thanks for watching.